All right, science class, we're going to move on to surface area. And the way we're going to test this is that we are going to put cubed ice and crushed ice in the same water. All right, this is not going to be boiling because it would happen too fast. So we're going to do about 100-degree water if you're going to do the lab on your own. So you can see right now the water is at 100 degrees. All right, so I'm going to take that out. Our assistant Annika is here helping us. So we're pouring the water into a different pitcher. All right, so we're going to be doing crushed ice and cubed ice so that the water is the same temperature. We're going to put half a cup in that one. And half a cup of that one. So now we are showing you the ice. So here are 2 ice cubes. Our first ice cube weighs, it just weighed 29 a minute ago, so it's saying 27 now. Our second ice cube is showing at 27, so both being the same. All right, how we are going to do this is we are going to put one in that container. So I didn't tear that correctly right there, which is why it showed different. And then we are going to crush this second one. So we're going to pause the video to let me crush this ice cube. All right, so now we have crushed our one ice cube and our other one is still full. So I'm going to get this into a different container. That way nothing is stuck to the edges. Granted, we might be a tiny bit shy of maybe the most minuscule amount of ice cube. All right, so now we are going to see how long it takes to melt both. I'm trying to get this set up so that the video continues to record. All right. To give it the benefit of a doubt, I'm going to start the timer as soon as I get the chips in, but I'm going to drop the bigger one in first. All right, so the timer has started. Like I said, 100-degree water. That's the ice chips. And that's the ice cube in the 100-degree water. You guys get to hear my kids fighting about Minecraft in the background. So you can see the chips are definitely melting. Again, this was not boiling water, which is why this is going to take a little bit longer. So you can see the ice chips. And there's the ice cube. You can see those last ice chips moving there. And there's another one of the ice chips. Where we are at on time is we are at 1 minute and 14 seconds. You can see those last ice chips on the left-hand side there. That last ice chip is sitting right above that half a cup area. You see it's almost going away. And it looks like it is completely gone. So that is gone at 2 minutes and 2 seconds. So we're gonna wait for the large ice cube to continue to dissolve. We'll pause it and we'll get an official time on this shortly. We are currently at 2 minutes and 34 seconds for our cube of ice. All right, we are at 3 minutes and 39 seconds. It looked like it was going to be all done in a minute, so I'm just checking in with everybody. You can see it slowly dissolving away without being touched. We're going to pause it again. All right, so we're checking in. It is almost all gone. We are at 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Trying to get you a better angle. It is almost all done. So again, we're doing how surface area would dissolve something. So this was our piece that was just one chunk, is coming to an end. This last little tiny piece is about to go away. And it is officially gone at 5 minutes and 44 seconds for test number 1. All right, so now we are on to test number 2 to show you the weights of the ice. That one 26. Our second ice cube is, oh, hold on. Let me tear that again. They were the same. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to put the bigger one in this one. Alright, and I will crush this one. Our water again for test 2 is sitting a little bit above 100 at 105. Both cups are going to get half a cup. Drop them in at the same time. Set up to be all in the same spot. All right. Right, and I'm going to start the timer. So our crushed ice, again, the crushing is not uniform, so our times may vary. Also, this water was slightly hotter. The Minecraft is continuing in the background. Right now we are at 34 seconds. There's Annika being involved in our science experiment. And we are waiting for our last pieces to go away on this lab. I know this is super exciting, waiting for that last piece to dissolve.
Look how many diamond blocks I have. 64 and we're gonna have a diamond house. Okay? We're a diamond house.
And the last piece is officially gone on with that bubble. So 1 minute and 36 seconds, we will say. We will pause this video to wait for that to dissolve. All right, I'm resuming the video for the very last of the cube for the surface area. Right now it has been dissolving for 5 minutes and 43 seconds. You can see it's sitting just above the Z of the 4 ounces, and it is about to disappear. So it has been dissolved at 5 minutes and 53 seconds is what was on there. So this concludes our surface area portion.